They built a Pontiac so powerful, only 877 of them ever left the factory. A car so rare most people don't even know it existed. The 1965 Pontiac Catalina 421, a full-size monster with 3 carburetors, a 4-speed, and the soul of a drag racer. And here's the crazy part. It wasn't a GTO, it wasn't a Bonneville. It was the entry-level Pontiac, but under the hood, it could embarrass cars worth twice the price. 1965 was Pontiac's peak. Wide track bodies, Coke bottle curves, and engines that made Chevy nervous. And the Catalina? It was the rebel of the lineup, smaller, lighter, and meaner. But this one, the Ventura trim 2-door coupe with the 421 tri-power setup, that was pure Pontiac attitude. 356 horsepower, triple carbs, and a 4-speed with a Hurst shifter. Most people ordered the comfy automatic, but this owner didn't want comfort. They wanted control. And if you ever see that WH engine code on a Pontiac block, stop everything. That code means you're staring at one of only 877 ever made. On the outside, it looked elegant, long, low, and sculpted. But from the driver's seat, it was a bare-knuckle fighter in a tuxedo. The 8-lug aluminum drums, pure Pontiac innovation, not just for looks. They actually helped dissipate heat faster during hard stops. Even Mercury tried to copy the design, but nobody nailed the look quite like Pontiac. Inside, it was stylish but simple. Ventura trim meant better seats, nicer panels, and that iconic triple-gauge cluster tilted toward the driver. Everything about this car whispered factory muscle before muscle cars were even a thing. And then, there's the heart of it. The 421 tri-power. Most of the time, it ran on the middle carburetor for cruising. But when you stomped the pedal, all 3 opened up like a triple-barrel shotgun. The sound? Equal parts symphony and thunderstorm. It is the kind of car that made you feel like a hero every time you shifted into second. Today, cars like this are almost extinct. Pontiac's gone. The factories are silent. But the 421 Catalina stands as proof that American engineering once ruled the roads. Less than 1,000 built, maybe a few hundred still alive. Find one. And you're not just buying a car, you're owning a piece of American defiance. And if you think this one's special, wait till you see the 5 forgotten classics that are already skyrocketing in value. Tap the video on your screen right now. The 5 classic cars that will skyrocket in value. Trust me, number 1 on that list will blow your mind.